everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we have a lovely package that Born Pretty has kindly sent over to us again. I have 5 products that they've sent me and they're all cat's eye gels. I would like to say a big thank you to Born Pretty for sending me these products to try out. So let's get into it. The first colour we have here is a gold. As always, their polishes are really high pigmented. There's going to be links in the description for the products. Don't forget to use kizzy10 at checkout for a 10% discount. So we're going to pop the colour on a swatch stick. This polish seems a little bit thicker in consistency, although my house is pretty cold at the moment, so I think that sort of adds to it. If you're in a warmer environment, gel tends to be sort of a little bit thinner than it does in sort of the colder environments. As you can see, it was a bit gloopy for me. So that's the first coat. We're going to pop, before we pop that in, we're going to use the magnet. Then we're going to pop that in the lamp, which I have an LED lamp to cure for 60 seconds. So we're going to go ahead and pop a second coat on. Again, using the magnet, pulling it round to where we want it, and that will be in the lamp for a final 60-second cure. So the second colour we have here is a silver. And exactly the same process again. We're going to pull the cat's eye with the magnet and then pop that in for a 60-second cure. And pop a second layer on and do exactly the same again. So the third colour here, we have this pink. It's so pretty. So we're going to swatch that. I go for a second coat now. This time we're going to use the magnet going to go for a different sort of style, pushing it all to the middle this time. And then pop that in the lamp for 60 seconds. The fourth colour is another silver, which is slightly darker in colour and has notes of iridescence in it. We're going to pop that on the swatch stick, just like we've done the rest of them. Then the final bottle we have is the fifth one, and this colour is a icy blue, and I must say it's my favourite. Look at this shimmer, it is beautiful. So I can't wait to do some icicle maybe themed nails with this colour. Pop a comment below with some ideas of what you think I should do with these colours. We're going to go in for a second coat now. Just going back to put a second coat on the fourth colour, as that was baking in the lamp in between. Making sure that it's a nice even coat. And there we have it. Those are the 5 colours that we got in this parcel. I hope you enjoyed. If you have, give this video a like and a comment. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.